Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. When I travel internationally, it's really important for my peace of mind to have something that keeps all of my documents organized in one place, but doesn't sacrifice on style. I love the addition of this passport holder. Not only is it a super fun bright red color, it has a very useful elastic strap that keeps everything closed and organized and safe. I love what it says, and so the adventure begins. It's such a fun reminder of why I love to travel in the first place. It holds my passport, and it'll also hold other documents or cash, my ID. It has a convenient window spot here on the other side, so whatever other ID or documentation you need to keep, if you need to be able to see the document, that's also very handy. I find that it doesn't make my passport or my documents too bulky. I can keep it in my purse or in my computer bag. It doesn't make it too large. It still fits things very conveniently. So all in all, this has been a great international travel buddy. It keeps my passport and documents protected, keeps them safe in one place with this nice elastic without adding too much bulk. And I love the color. It's certainly easy to find inside my bag. And that is my point of view.